This is an RP Swag production.
Where to go? I miss the snow. Seems like that since December it hasn't formed.
Some days it comes in flakes, so cold you'll shake, make it so your car won't break. When water freezes, it forms ice and snow, but only when the temperature gets so low that thermometer reads 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or maybe 0 degrees C. This change happens when the molecules slow way down and come closer together. In other words, become tightly bound. Phase changes are a natural thing. Water state of matter is constantly changing. As the temperature changes, so does water's form. I wonder what will happen when it gets warm.
Where to go? I miss the snow. Seems like that since December it hasn't formed. Where to go? I miss the snow. Seems like that since December it hasn't formed.
As the thermometer passes the 32-degree mark, the melting phase of water then starts. Changing from a solid to a liquid is what happens. Let's crank the temp up a little higher then. The molecules speed up and spread out. The temp keeps rising, we'll have a gas, no doubt. But for now, a liquid's what we got. And that's what we'll have until the mercury in the thermometer reaches the top. Phase changes are a natural thing. Water states of matter is constantly changing. When phase changes, temperature is key. I wonder what will happen when we reach toward 12 degrees.
Where to go? I miss the snow. Seems like that since December it hasn't formed. Where to go? I miss the snow. Seems like that since December it hasn't formed.
Phase changes are a natural thing. Heat water to 212 degrees and a gas is what it'll bring. Water vapor is what it's called, and the boiling point of water is what it is caused by. The molecules aren't even near, so small they don't even appear. I'm like your mom at Christmas time. I got the tightest rapping.
Where to go? I miss the snow. Seems like that since December it hasn't formed. Where to go? I miss the snow. Seems like that since December it hasn't formed.
Forces between atoms are intermolecular forces. You can learn about these in chemistry courses. Intermolecular forces attract and repel, just like big worms crush on a dell. Alright, out.